Okay. We are recording. This is team 15797A. This is our robot. As you can see, we will now show that this robot fits within an 18 by 18 by 18 inch cube using an official vect sizing tube. This is an official vect sizing tube. We will now show that it fits in the left and right direction. So as you can see, it fits within a left-right direction. And it also fits from the front-back direction. Hold it there. Okay. So our robot thus fits within an 18 by 18 inch cube and is within size limit. Our team is competing with one robot only. We display two identification plates of the correct color. We are scoring for the red team. So here's one. And here's the other, they are on opposite sides. The robot does not have detachable components. The robot does not have entangling or damaging components. The robot does not have sharp edges or corners. The power brain button is accessible as shown here. And all the designing, building, and programming of this robot was done by students on the team. All robot components are from the VEX V5 catalog. All are identical to it. The robot does not use VEX parts not intended for building on robots. All components of the robot meet there are no decorative components on this robot, so none of them are. So there are no decorative components on this robot. All the plastic was cut from a polycarbonate sheet of a certain size, of the correct size. The robot only has one VEX V5 brain, as shown there. The robot uses the VEXnet wireless communication system, as shown there. None of the electronics are from non-VEX V5 kits, and the total number of smart motors is 8, which I'll now show. Here's 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4, here's 5, here's 6, here's 7, here's 8. Thus, there are 8 motors on this robot. The robot has no 2-wire motors. The robot uses one battery. The robot is controlled by one controller. There are no modified electrical components. There are no unintended methods of attachment such as welding or gluing. There are no pneumatic reservoirs. We use no parts from the V5 beta program. All of our cables are from the V5 cable stock, and we do not have decorative components. Our robot brain is updated to the latest version, and the vision sensors are calibrated on an official VEX sheet, which is what is shown here. Thus, we passed the inspection, and I will now sign our sheet.
Okay, alright, we'll now tether the controller to the robot and put the robot into a legal starting position. And then we'll commence autonomous skills run number 1. The code word for this week is Winter Wonderland, and it should be displayed on your screen. On the screen. Okay. As you can see, the controller is tethered. No, not yet. As you can see, the controller is tethered to our robot.
Okay.
Okay.
Check the position.
As you can see, the robot is touching the back of the field. The preload is located inside the robot.
I'm using your battery.
The top is folded down so it fits within an 18 by 18 height. There's a mold slot at the front so it fits within an 18 by 18 width. Length. Sorry. And it is not touching the front ball as configured here. In the legal starting position. As such, this robot is in a legal starting position. We will now commence programming skills run number 1. Code word for this week is Winter Wonderland. I'll move over the camera to the field camera now. And the timer should be on the on-screen display. Here's the field camera. As you can see, the same robot, same position. 3.
No.
Not yet.
Ready.
Okay.
Here, wait, let me double check the field one second.
Get him check the field.
You're checking the field for consistency.
What's
Correct.
Yeah, so, okay.
All right.
Wait. There we go.
Ludwig will press the button on the controller, then walk away. We'll start time in 3, 2, 1, start.
Oh
10 seconds. That is time. All right, we will now score run number 1 of our programming skills challenge. Again, the code word for this week is Winter Wonderland. Sorry, I said the wrong one. And then
Alright, let's go.
we are scoring programming skills run number 1.
Top right has 2 red balls and 1 blue ball. It is red on. Here, next one. Top middle has 1 red ball. It is red on. Top left has 1 red and 1 blue. It is red on. Middle left has 1 red ball. It is red on. Middle tower has 2 blue and 1 red. It is red on. Middle right has 1 blue ball. It is blue on. Bottom right has 2 blue balls. It is blue on. Bottom middle has 1 red ball. It is red on. Bottom left has 2 blue balls. It is blue on. This means that red has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balls. Blue has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 balls. And red has a total of 1, 2, oh, sorry, not this row. A total of 1, 2, red has a total of 2 rows. And blue has 0 rows, so the total score is 63 plus 7 minus 9 plus 6 times 2, which is equal to 61 plus 12, which is equal to 73.
Alright, that concludes programming skills run number 1. Again, our robot is not touching any of the balls that are currently scored, so all the balls are legally scored. And concludes programming skills run number 1. We will now reset the field and the robot. Prepare for programming skills run number 2. The code word for this week is Winter Wonderland. This is a programming skills. Alright.
That's unlucky.
Yeah.
That's a total.
73.
As you can see, our robot is touching the back of the field right now. It is not touching the front ball. There is a bald spot in our flywheels, so it fits within the 18 length. Our top is down, so it fits within the 18 height. Our preload is located inside the robot, and as such, we are in a legal starting position, and once the field is reset, we can commence programming skills run number 2.
Wait,
Code
I'm
word
tethering-
for this
I'm
week?
tethering the controller. Do you wanna
Oh
do that
yes,
again?
I need to tether the controller.
Prove it's the same one.
This controller is tethered to the brain. Alright, as such, the robot is in legal starting position, and we'll commence programming skills run number 2. For this week, the code is Winter Wonderland. And I will now move over the camera.
Battery's fine.
Okay,
Alright, just get started, then everything is
Julian,
good.
can you hit the start button this time?
Alright.
Alright.
3, 2, 1, start. 15, 14. Alright, get ready.
Alright, that is time.
That
We'll
is
now
time.
score.
Progress.
Programming skills, run number 2.
Progress. Daddy, progress.
Alright, so in the top right tower, we have 2 red balls, 1 blue ball, it is red on. Top middle tower. Here, top middle tower, 1 red ball. Top left tower, 1 red, 1 blue, it is red on. Left middle tower, 1 red ball, red on. Middle tower has 1 red ball and 2 blue balls, it is red owned. Right middle tower is 1 blue ball, it is blue owned. Bottom left tower is 2 blue balls, it is blue owned. Bottom middle tower has 1 red ball, it is red owned. Bottom left tower has 1 red ball, 1 blue ball, it is red owned. Thus, red has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balls in towers. Blue has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balls in towers as well. Red has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Our final score is therefore 63 plus 8 minus 8 plus 6 times 4, which is equal to 63 plus 24, which is equal to 87.
Alright, that concludes programming skills run number 2 and the end of the programming skills section of this video.
We will now proceed to the driver skills section of this video. Progress.
We will now reset the screen and the robot. In the driver skills portion of this video, again, the code word is let it snow, and you will get a lovely view of our field.
You might want to create models first. You know,
Yes.
don't do your answers.
Let's get it. Danny, could you quickly check if there's a full battery?
Yes, I shall check if there is a full battery.
Deactivate this battery, please.
No, there's not because we weren't charging the other battery.
Why, but that's fine. I'll deactivate this one, and I think the other one will be more full than this one.
Yeah, change it up for slightly down there.
Which one? This one's all, both of them are not full.
Just keep charging, go.
Alright. Preload in. Alright, yes?
Yep, as you can see, our preload is down, so it fits in the 18 by 18 height,
You mean our hood?
or hood, sorry. We have a ball slot at the front, so it fits within the 18 by 18 length. It is not touching the front ball. Preload is located inside the ball, inside the robot. I'm sorry, I misspoke. Therefore, it is in a legal starting position. We will tether the controller and then begin the run.
1 second. Okay, none of the
Not
batteries
with
are
any other
very
controller.
full.
This one should be highest.
They're all sort of close to
We can
full.
test all of them.
No, they're all very similar. Just take this one and use that.
Okay, that's great.
Controller.
Controller to tether.
Is over there.
Here, I have it.
It's pretty obvious.
All right.
As you can see,
Nope. All right.
the
As you
controller.
can see, the controller is tethered to our robot. Nope. Alright. So now we will commence
See the traps, let's see the
driver skills run number 1. Again, the code word
You
for
want
this
this
week
battery?
is
We want
let
that
it
one, this is
snow.
Here, wait. Yeah, this battery is very low.
Let's just try all of them.
Okay. Code word for this week is let us know. We will commence driver skills now. Once the field is fully set up, we are currently changing the battery on the robot because it is running low.
And then can I check the battery level? Run control. Run the program. Okay, this is the best one.
Alright,
Let's hear bring that.
everything has been reset, and we will now commence the driver skills portion of this video.
Julian, you start him up. Daniel, you start him off.
Yep. 3, 2.
Wait.
Let me just double check. This one's off. Alright, there we go.
Okay, make sure you keep walking around.
Alright.
I'll give you the light.
No. Oh, yes, please turn on those lights.
Alright, sorry. There we go. We just added more lights. 3, 2, 1, start!
Give me time warning.
50 seconds. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 25. 20. 15. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Time! Alright. We'll now score the driver skills portion of our run.
Alright, come on, bring the camera.
Yep. Alright, driver skills portion will be scored.
Alright. Starting once again, here we have the top right tower with 1 red, 2 blue, it is red owned. Next, we have the middle top tower, it is red owned with 1 red ball. Top left tower, red owned with 1 red, 1 blue. Middle left tower, 1 red ball, red owned. Middle tower, 1 red, 2 blue balls, however it is red owned. Middle right tower, 1 red ball, it is therefore red owned. Bottom right tower, we have 1 red ball, 1 blue ball, but it is red owned. Middle bottom tower, the blue ball is out of bounds. And
Outside of the tower is not counted.
so the blue, only the red ball is scored here. The red ball is red owned because there's only 1 red ball. Bottom left is 1 red, 1 blue. It is red owned. So therefore, red has a total of
9.
9
balls.
blue balls. No, 9 red balls. There's a total of 9 red balls.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There's 7 blue balls.
7.
There, every row is completed. Thus, there are 8 rows of red balls. Our total score is 63 plus 9 minus 7 plus 6 times 8,
48.
which is equal to 65 plus 48, which is equal to 113. Thus, our total score for this round is 113 plus our previous 87, getting us to a total of 200.
Alright, that concludes the programming driver skills run number 1 and also this
Concludes
run.
our recording. It concludes our recording. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Again, the code word for this week is
Winter
Winter Wonderland, and that is our recording. Thank you for listening.